In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a timer on your Google Form quiz. This handy feature is perfect for educators or anyone looking to create a more structured, time-bound assessment or form experience. Let's start by opening the Google form you want to add a timer to. This is typically the form you've been working on or a new one you might be preparing for a quiz or assessment. Once your form is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a vertical three-dot menu. This is your settings menu. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down list. From there, select the add-ons option. Add-ons are like mini extensions for Google Forms, offering additional features that enhance your form's capabilities. In the search bar of the add-on store, type in Form Timer. You might come across a few options like AI Proctor or Form Quiz Timer Online. Choose one that fits your needs. Once you've found your form timer, click Install. This process will prompt you to review and accept necessary permissions. These permissions allow the add-on to function properly with your form, and you'll need to grant them to proceed. Don't worry, this is a standard part of using third-party integrations with Google Forms. With the add-on installed, navigate back to your Google form. Look for the puzzle icon located at the top of the page. This represents your add-ons. Click on this icon, find the form timer you just installed, and open it. You'll now have the option to set limits. We're focusing specifically on adding a deadline to your form. Choose date and time as the type of limit you want to impose. This feature allows you to control precisely when the quiz or form should be active. It provides a robust framework for ensuring fair assessment conditions, especially when used for quizzes or exams. Next, set your deadline by selecting the specific date and time you want the form to close or become inactive. This step is crucial to ensure that participants adhere to the timeline you've established. Be sure to double-check these settings as they dictate the exact moment the form will no longer accept responses. Once you've carefully configured your deadline, click Save and Enable. This action activates your timer, meaning your form now has a countdown based on the settings you've just created. And that's it. You've successfully added a timer to your Google Form quiz. This feature not only adds professionalism to your quiz, but also helps maintain the integrity of the process. Whether you're an educator, trainer, or anyone in between, integrating a timer can streamline your workflow and enhance the overall experience for both you and your participants. Enjoy using this feature and bringing more efficiency to your form creation.